Nurses, media people, and call center agents are those who are sleep deprived because of their duty call. Being a call center agent, Dale De Sola considers himself sleep deprived. Driven by his own personal choice, he entered the call center industry because of economical reasons. At first, he was not aware of the effects of sleep deprivation to his health until he encountered negative manifestations during work. Some people think that sleeping at day can compensate with their deprivation. Some alternatives include taking sleeping aids, increased intake of caffeine, and many other energy boosters. But according to Mark Pascual, a newly registered nurse, every alternative that he can know of is not just enough.
Naka-assign ako ngayon sa emergency room kung saan dapat alert ka 24/7 or at least during duty mo. Kasi minsan kahit hindi mo duty, kahit out ka na. Kunyari, for example, 7 a.m. tapos na yung duty ko. Pero pag nandun pa ako by 8 a.m. tapos may sinugod na naghihingalo, kailangan mag-respond din ako doon. So ganun siya ka-stressful. Dapat gising ka magdamag, tapos hindi ka dapat nakaupo. I want to believe na kaya mag-compensate ng body ko. Pero yun nga, hanggang believe lang. Sana kaya nga niya. Kami, we believe na bawat individual is unique, meaning kanya-kanyang tolerance, kanya-kanyang threshold. So, kapag ka naabot mo na yung tolerance or yung threshold na yun, meaning kayang bumigay ng katawan mo. Ako, naniniwala na lang ako na kaya ko pang mag-adapt. Kasi since no college, lagi naman akong late natutulog or ganun. Pero, alam kong someday, alam kong babagsak na lang ako bigla. Kasi na-experience ko na, nagiging hypertensive ako, tumataas yung BP ko. Sure ako na, siguro mga 90% sure ako na dahil sa sleep deprivation. Tapos, yun nga, narcolepsy, nakatulog kung saan-saan.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning and something tragic happened in Kalawaan, Pasig. And you can see that every TV networks is present here to witness what happened. Goes to show that every journalist or media person can deprive themselves from proper sleep if they have a news to cover.
What happened here?
Kasi pagdating namin dito, nakatanggap kami ng tawag na meron daw lasing na tumalon daw sa tulay ng...
Natutulog po kayo ng Pinola?
Nagro-robing din po. Nagro-robing din kami kasi sa news and register rin tayo.
This is where we meet Jerome Lantin from ABS-CBN News. Assigned in police reports, his duty starts from 11 in the evening up to 7 in the morning.
So within that time, lahat ng mangyayari sa area mo dapat monitored mo yun. Sometimes it takes its toll na kapag bugbog ka talaga na sunod-sunod na araw, medyo wala talagang pahinga. May days na parang sluggish ka. Pero sa trabaho kasi namin, you can't afford na wala kang excuse eh.
Besides from receiving a good pay, experts say that their motivation for choosing sleep-depriving work is money. The individual denies that the night shift is having an impact on his or her health, and the price, high pay and benefits for example, wins out. Some experts, however, are convinced that the others are motivated by the call of their duty itself.
I'm willing to do everything for my profession because I love my job.
Despite the sleep.
Despite all the or whatever is accompanied with my profession, I'm willing to accept it as it is.
Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Parang, kumbaga kung mahal mo rin naman yung ginagawa mo, kahit na mahirap, magkakasama na rin talaga yun. Nagpe-pay off din naman.
Ilan na rin sila nagkasakit. So parang dahil tinakil ko nga itong linya ng trabaho to. Then I have to suffer the consequences and face them.
If sleeping is a choice, therefore sleep deprivation is also a choice. It is important to remember that the 1/3 of our lives that we spend sleeping, far from being unproductive, plays a direct role in how full, energetic, and successful the other 2/3 of our lives can be.
Unfortunately, there are no alternatives to sleep. That has been proven already. No amount of nutritious food, massages, pills can really substitute for good quality sleep. There's no alternative. Sleep is sleep, however you put it.
As we grow up, we encounter more responsibilities. With more responsibilities comes greater demand for sleep. Unfortunately, there are no alternatives to sleep. Therefore, sleep deprivation is really our choice. Join us again next time as we investigate matters way beyond our beliefs. Good day.